In this video, we are going to show you how to acquire 25% discount on Dropmagic AI subscriptions. Dropmagic AI is an AI-powered Shopify store builder designed for dropshippers and e-commerce entrepreneurs. This is great for those who are starting out because you won't really have the nitty-gritty of creating from scratch a store, right? Because when you click on the link that we have provided in the description below, if you're interested, do click on the link because this is a great tool and an opportunity to make it easier for you. You're going to be brought to this page right here. And to start, you want to click on Get Started here on the upper right corner. And it's going to make you experience not only your prototypical account creation, but just creating your store in general, so to speak, via AI, which is insanely dynamic and very creative on their part. Now, once you've created your store, you will be brought to your dashboard over here. And once you are here on your dashboard, look towards your upper or lower left corner, click on your account icon, profile icon, like so. Click on My Account. Now, once you are here, you want to click on Plan and Billing on your left-hand side. As you can see here, no active subscriptions yet, so you want to click on Subscribe on your right-hand side. And here you're going to get your prototypical or standard checkout option. And on your left hand under subtotal, you want to click on Add Promotion Code. And here you want to type Ecom Sensei 25, click Apply. And as you can see, 25% off for 2 months, and just go through your typical checkout process. Now, by the way, we recently created a detailed tutorial on Dropmagic AI. So if you're interested to know how to use it effectively, you can watch the video showing on your screen right now. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.